Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to transfer your Bitcoin from Coinbase to Stake. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're looking to stake your Bitcoin for rewards or just manage your assets better, this guide has got you covered. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Stake. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the Wallets section. Here, find your Bitcoin wallet. That's where your BTC is stored. Next, head over to your Stake account. You'll need to generate a withdrawal address for Bitcoin. Go to the Deposit or Receive section in Stake, and it should provide you with a unique Bitcoin address. Double-check that this address starts with BC1 foot or whatever the standard is in 2025, always verified to avoid any mistakes. Now, back in Coinbase, click on your Bitcoin wallet and select the Send or Withdraw option. Enter the stake address you just copied, then input the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, fees can vary, so check the network fees beforehand to ensure you're not overpaying. Before you hit Confirm, take a moment to review everything. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's crucial for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Stake and check your balance to confirm the Bitcoin has arrived. And that's it. You've successfully moved your funds. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you in the next video.